Hello everyone, my name is Taylor Westney, and I'm a freshman at Friends University studying zoo science. Today I'll be taking about 5 minutes of your time to talk about cougars and what you can do to help them. First, I'd like to talk about the importance of them and how they make the ecosystem healthy. Cougars are actually considered keystone species. Has anyone ever heard that term before? No? Or yes? Yes. Can you tell me what it means?
There wasn't that species in that environment, and the environment would kind of just cave in on itself.
Exactly. They hold a crucial job in maintaining the ecosystem. One of the important things they do is making sure that their prey's population doesn't get too high or large. By doing this, they unknowingly keep their prey from eating all of the vegetation and making it not be able to grow. Kind of like if a cafeteria had too many people and just kept eating until there's nothing there. The cooks might not actually be able to bring out more food. And if some of the plant species disappear, then the rest of the animals that depend on those vegetation would disappear as well. They're also known as an umbrella species, which means that they're helping them and their habitat is helping other species. And places where cougars disappear keeps the ecosystem from starting to deteriorate and lack biodiversity. And their main threats are loss of habitat, overkilling, meaning they're overhunted, and loss of prey. Fortunately, their population's actually on a steady decline, but there's still a lot to be done. One of the things you can do is conserve their main prey, like elk and deer, by making sure that their population isn't too low or too high. And it's important to stop using lethal means to keep them from killing livestock, pets, and humans. And some ways to deter them and not have a reason to be near you or your property is like fencing, very high fencing, guardian animals, keeping the tall vegetation around trimmed so they don't have concealment, sealing areas that could be used for hiding or sleeping, and keeping small animals and your pets in a secure location when needed. And they are actually a self-regulated species, meaning and are regulated by available food and competition. And if they are hunted, it's important to know or tell their ages and if the cougar is female, to keep them from killing the females and keep them from kits and orphaning the kits too. And you can also help them by looking into cougar conservations and funds like the Cougar Fund, and decrease conflict that usually result in the death of the cougars. Can some of you guys tell me what are some signs that cougars are in the area? Yes?
Paw prints.
Yes, that is one. Yes?
Oh.
Yes, that is also one. Anything else? Yes? They do scratch on trees. That is a sign. Some other ones are if they have prey in the area or carcasses, but the rest of them, yes. And what do you think you do if you encounter a cougar? Yes?
I know you're not supposed to run.
Yes, that is a very crucial part in it. Yes?
Don't turn your back on them.
Yes, both are very crucial parts. Anything else? Yes?
Look big.
Yes. Anything else? No? Okay, So what you all said was very true, and one of the crucial parts of it. So some other things are like if you have like a small animal or like a child with you, you can like keep them with you, or like keep them close to you, and like slowly back away, stay calm. Exactly. And don't bend over or crouch, and keep facing them, stuff like that. And learn to defend yourself just in case they do attack. That's some things. And did you guys know that there are some cougars in Kansas? Yes. There has been occasionally some sightings in Kansas. They're not very often, and they usually come from neighboring states because of like loss of habitat and stuff like that. There's been like over 30 confirmed sightings, and yeah, thank you for your time.